Stop it! Oh, you spit on my arm.
Matt Foley!
My knees are like stuck against the wall right here.
Do it.
I can't.
Let's go, Dominic.
Come on.
Come on, Dominic.
Don't be a wuss.
You're not in here! Shit!
Come on, Dominic.
You're like,
Give me some new shorts.
He's so passionate.
It's just this part right here, like the wall is right where my knees are.
Everyone's just standing around.
I know.
Like, look like that.
Scary.
Come on, Dominic.
Well done, man.
Yeah. You leaving?